The OnePlus Nord CE5 is a mid-range smartphone that focuses on delivering a balanced experience with a strong emphasis on battery life and performance. It is a successor to the Nord CE4 and offers several key upgrades. For pros, exceptional battery life. The massive 7,100 mAh battery, in the Indian version, is a standout feature, promising up to 2 days of use on a single charge. Strong performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex chipset provides powerful and smooth performance for both daily tasks and demanding games. Excellent software support. With 4 major OS updates and 6 years of security patches, the Nord CE5 offers long-term usability. Good main camera. The 50MP primary camera with OIS takes sharp, detailed, and color-accurate photos, especially in good lighting. Vibrant display. The 120Hz AMOLED display is bright, colorful, and great for media consumption. Fast charging. The 80W wired charging quickly replenishes the large battery. Expandable storage. The inclusion of a microSD card slot is a welcome feature for users who need more space. For cons, single speaker. The phone features a single, bottom-firing speaker, which is a letdown for a phone in this price range and can hinder the media consumption experience. Underwhelming ultrawide and selfie cameras. While the main camera is good, the 8MP ultrawide and 16MP selfie cameras are considered average and may not satisfy users who prioritize these features. Plastic build. The device has a plastic frame and back, which may feel less premium compared to some competitors with glass or metal builds. Heating issues. Some reviews note that the phone can experience thermal throttling under sustained heavy loads, like long gaming sessions. Battery capacity variation. The smaller 5,200 mAh battery in the global version is a significant downgrade from the Indian model. For special features. OnePlus AI. The Nord CE5 includes a suite of AI features, such as AI Summary, AI Translation, AI Writer, and AI Eraser for photo editing. It also integrates Google Gemini for a helpful personal AI assistant experience. Open Canvas, a multitasking feature, borrowed from the OnePlus Open, that allows for intuitive split-screen and drag-and-drop functionality. AquaTouch, a display feature that ensures the screen remains responsive even with wet fingers. Bypass charging. This feature allows the phone to be powered directly from the charger during gaming, reducing heat and preserving battery health. IP65 rating. A good level of protection against dust and low-pressure water jets, which is a nice addition for a mid-range device. Overall conclusion. The OnePlus Nord CE5 is a highly competitive mid-range smartphone, especially for users in India who get the massive 7,100 mAh battery. It excels in core areas like performance, display quality, and battery life, making it a reliable and powerful daily driver. The extended software support is also a major selling point, ensuring the phone remains relevant and secure for a long time. However, it is not a perfect device. The lack of stereo speakers and the average quality of the secondary cameras are notable drawbacks. The plastic build and potential for thermal throttling under extreme loads might also be a concern for some. In summary, if you prioritize long-lasting battery life, fast and smooth performance, and a vibrant display, the OnePlus Nord CE5 is an excellent choice. But if stereo speakers and a top-tier camera system, especially the ultra-wide and selfie cameras, are a priority, you might want to consider other options in the market.